obviously your name is Abdullah, Allah ka Bandah, beautiful name. And then, mashallah, your surname is Haqani. Could you I always wanted to, I'm very anxious where this name come from. Is it like koi aapko virasat mein mila hai, ya it's just a family name?
So the surname Haqani, it's actually my surname. It comes from my father. It's from our family. So from my father, my grandfather.
It's a family tree.
Yeah, it's a family tree. It's all been Haqani from day one.
Acha.
And Abdullah, all my brothers, eldest brother is Ikram,
Mashallah.
then Inam, then Ihtisham, then I'm Abdullah. So I feel like I'm the odd one out.
So Ikram, Ihtisham,
Inam,
and
then Abdullah.
Baiman rakh dete
Ihtisham
bhi hai.
So the reason why my name is Abdullah is different from rhyming with all the other brothers is because at that time my grandfather passed away. May Allah grant him Jannah. So hence my father called me Abdullah Haqani.
Oh, mashallah, mashallah. So your grandfather's name was Abdullah?
Abdullah.
Mashallah, mashallah, wow. So you're, in all fairness, we could call you Abdullah Jr.
Of course.
That's a good name, eh?
Abdullah Jr.
Abdullah Jr.
In Pakistan they call me Abdullah Jani.
Abdullah Jani.
Abdullah
Zabardast.
Jani, yeah.
Why, brother? Why did